Right, hello. Quick notes on pattern 3, because if I could be writing on the board right now for you, I would be, but I can't, so we're doing it through the document camera. This is the way that I like to think of pattern 3 sentences. So as we know, a pattern 3 sentence is a noun, action verb, noun, noun, okay? And that means there are 3 nouns outside of the prepositional phrase. Aha, pattern 3 sentence. So this is our subject. This is our direct object, and then right up in the middle, kind of sneaks in right here, is our indirect object. And like I said, they will always be in this order. Here's the way I think of it, and this is probably the simplest sentence that helps us understand that an indirect object is receiving the direct object. So the subject does something with this item, and then this item is given to someone else, okay? So, I gave the mouse a cookie. Okay, let's label. I is a pronoun. Mouse is a noun. Cookie is a noun. Which I? No, nothing. Which mouse? The mouse. Which cookie? The cookie. And then here's my action verb. So, in this sentence, I gave what? A cookie to whom? The mouse. So, I gave cookie mouse. So, if we were looking at our diagram, remember, all the way through, halfway through, and now we've got this indirect object, which goes underneath our verb, bone shard or dog's hind leg, or broken dog leg. So my verb is gave. Who or what gave? I gave what? Cookie. To whom? The mouse. Another way you can check your work on indirect objects, on finding this in a sentence, can you reword the sentence and include a prepositional phrase with the words to or for? So can you say, I gave a cookie to the mouse? Can you do that? Can you do that with this, and it has the same meaning as this? Yes, if that mouse can be the object of a prepositional phrase with to or for, then you have an indirect object. That's like a check your work. So in math class, after you do a bunch of your steps, and then you go back and maybe plug in a number to check your work, this is a way you can check your work. Can you change this indirect object to a prepositional phrase receiving it? Yes, you can. So here you still have a pattern 2 sentence, and you've just changed your indirect object to being the object of a preposition. But if that makes sense, then you have an indirect object. But again, this is why if we were to add a bunch of prepositional phrases into here, you would still be able to get rid of all of your modifiers. Like, let's say we had multiple prepositional phrases. I gave the mouse a cookie after school. You would still be able to get rid of it. So you still get rid of any of your modifiers, and now you have a noun, action verb, noun, noun sentence. See how I'm saying? Okay, so that is pattern 3. I like my I gave the mouse a cookie to help you understand that this is what you're giving. It's your direct object, and it's always going to go back in the sentence to this spot right here, and that's who's going to receive that direct object. Your direct object is always the last noun. Okay? All right, that was, just under 5 minutes. Perfect. So good luck on your homework tonight. Ask questions if you have them, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.